Welcome to Emmett's Aviation, and behind me is a C-123B Fairchild Provider that is owned by the Royal Thai Air Force at the Royal Thai Air Force Museum near Dong Muang International Airport. The Royal Thai Air Force originally ordered 8 of these aircraft from the United States in 1964 and later ordered an additional 14. As you can see, this is a beast of an aircraft with a massive wing and, unlike some other aircraft, a massive propeller engine with 3 rotor blades. So now we're actually going to enter, instead of the usual door, we're going to enter through the end of the plane where cargo would drop out from. And not just that, sometimes the cargo might be humans jumping out of the plane and skydiving. So as you can see, here is the tail. And it is actually quite elevated off the ground, as you can see, comparing my height. And here we have the massive cargo door. So coming up, here's a ramp. And this wouldn't just be used for letting cargo out. People can also walk down here and jump off the parachute. And there is a mechanism which it would come up on, and it would go, this door here would go down, and this one would go up when closing. Here we have 2 exits in the aircraft, and as you can see, there are windows going out of them. And here we have places where the occupants of the aircraft would sit, and there is 3 windows on each side. And for the 3rd window, there is quite a big, large space between them. Here we have the flight engineer's seat, and its awesomeness elevated off the ground. And above him is an emergency exit, which you can use to exit the aircraft in the event of emergency. So now I'm going to give you a tour of the cockpit. So right now, I'm in the pilot seat, and next to me is where the first officer will sit. And as you can see, there is a large amount of windows, and you can open the windows and, for example, wave your hand out of them like this. And there's also 2 special windows up here for more visual awareness of your surroundings. Some of the really important and cool features of this cockpit are some of the buttons up here. As you can see, there's stuff like a fire detector, a supercharger, a hydraulic fluid, nose steering and elevator lock, and wings flap indicator, along with much more. Going on to the main instruments of this aircraft, there is the yoke, which you can use to steer the plane. You push it forward to make the aircraft go down, and then pull it back to make it go up. And there's actually things that connect it for the hydraulic fluids at the back. So it will go through here for the hydraulic fluid. And here we have all the engines, the flaps. On the side we have this thing called the trim wheel. And we also have all the aircraft instruments at the front, like the rate of climb, how fast you're going, and stuff like the oil press. So now I'm going to bring you outside of this aircraft to show you some more features. So here we have steps going down, and you can hold on to these handlebars. And now we're going to come out through this exit here. This is an alternative way to get into the aircraft, and is usually used for occupants of this aircraft. So now we're going down and looking past the engine. You can tell by the sheer size of this engine. And over here you can see into some of the actual mechanisms of this aircraft, which is a really, really cool feature. And as you can see, there is one wheel at the front, and that's where the pilots sit. The aircraft next to it also show the sheer size of this aircraft. The wing is literally almost longer than the 2 aircraft combined together. It is really really crazy. So as you can see, these are different aircraft in this airport, and as you can see, these two are much smaller, different aircraft, and the cargo ones need to be bigger so they can fit large amounts of cargo for missions. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.